So hello everyone, how are you my friends? Are you ready to make some big money? If yes, then we are ready to start. Today I'm using just two indicators, Super Trend together with Williams Oscillator, one of my favorite ones. So let's open the first trade. According to the first trade, you can clearly see that we have a very strong bullish candle, and now we're expecting the continuation of the current growth. That's why we have opened buy position here with an investment of $134. By the way, we're investing our whole deposit in each trade. This will help us to save our time and to pump our deposit as fast as possible. We're using only short time period of just 1 minute in order to save our time once again. Today I will show you how to make a very huge profit just from $134. Yes, that's true, that's real, and you will see this by your own eyes. So don't miss this, don't miss this. Only Michael Trader will show you how to do this. Okay guys, so yep. The first trade was profitable. Let's continue. Okay, let's think about the next trade. Yep, for the new ones who have just seen my new style, I am without beard, without this long hair, and now I'm also on the cutting. So I have more lean muscles right now. I am much more better right now. I'm much better right now. I'm so fucking handsome and rich. Okay, let's change our investment to $257. Okay, let's check USD EGP currency pair. We have reached a strong level of resistance right now. Super Trend is giving us a short signal. Oscillator is overbought right now, but no. Let's check once again another pair, USD INR. So we have the same kind of situation. We have reached a strong level of resistance. Oscillator is overbought. Super Trend is telling us about the short. That's why let's try sell position here. My friends, if you don't know how Super Trend indicator works, everything is very simple. First of all, you should pay attention to the position of the current candles. If current candles are below the Super Trend line, and this is short signal. Contrary to that situation, if candles are above the Super Trend line becomes green, and it gives us information that we have a possible bullish uprising movement, and we should open buy position. So everything is very simple. Just look after the position of the candles and the color of the Super Trend line, green or red. Okay, so as you see, resistance level doesn't allow price to go higher anymore. That's why it's falling, and we're getting our profits here. Fine, so that's good. One more profitable trade. Let's change our investment to $494 and open Euro Audi currency pair. So what do we have here? We're currently in the upgoing trend, and we're expecting the breakthrough of the Super Trend line. We have some space for the growth according to the oscillator. That's why we're opening buy position here. So fine guys, we're now just have few seconds left, and we finally got our profit here once again. Very good, very nice. Let's continue. Let's change our investment to $940. Let's check USD PKR currency pair. So we can observe the candle pattern named Morningstar. Oscillates now is oversold. That's why we can expect the possible growth, and we're opening buy position here. So fine, that was quite good. Let's change our time period to 1 minute once again. Now we have around $1,800. Let's check another currency pair and find the best entry point for the next trade. Let's look at USD EGP chart. Oscillator, Williams oscillator is overbought right now. We have reached a strong level of resistance. So we can expect the possible drop, and we're opening sell position here. Perfectly done. Let's continue. Let's change our investment to $3,000 and check out the CAD currency pair. So we can highly likely break through the super trend line once again. That's why we should open buy position here. We have some space for the growth according to the oscillator, and I'm sure this will be a profitable trade for us. Let's check USD BRL currency pair. Okay, so you can see this huge green candles have shown us bullish consumption of the previous drop. However, price once again hit the strong level of resistance and cannot break through it. That's why we will highly likely drop once again, and here we have opened 2 sell positions with total investments of $6,000. Perfect. We have around $12,000 and we have started with just 134 bucks. My friend, if you want to do the same, you right now just need to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. All information how to make money like this for free you will get here. And now I'm thank you a lot for your time. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.